Hey guys! Today we'll be making white rice.
Also known as Arroz Blanco.
For us Dominicans, white rice is a must-have for almost every meal.
For more recipes,
Consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen.
We're gonna start by washing our rice.
We're gonna repeat this process a few times until the water clears up. Pour 2 cups of water in our pot. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, so depending on how much rice you make, that's how much water we use.
For softer rice, you can add 1/4 more of water. Now we're gonna add the salt.
Remember, this is the taste. The salt is what gives the rice its flavor.
Add a drizzle of oil.
Turn your stove on to medium-high heat and bring your water to a boil.
Once your water begins to boil, add in your rice.
Once you've added your rice, you're gonna mix it around. Now let this come to a boil until the water dries up.
Once the water has dried up, you're gonna mix it around and make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. Our rice is now ready to be covered. We like to use aluminum foil for better steaming.
This step is very important. Once you've covered your rice, you're gonna set your stove to the lowest setting. On average, it takes our stove 20 to 30 minutes for our rice to cook. Set a 20-minute timer to check your rice.
This is what our rice looked like after 20 minutes, nice and fluffy. If you feel your rice is a little on the hard side, you can feel free to add a little bit of water and cover it for another 10 minutes.
This step is optional. After your rice is done cooking, you can use canola oil or butter to break the rice out of its clumps. We like to use a fork to fluff it up. After that, your white rice is ready to be served.
Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon!